much your passion for our village. Thank Members, we have called you here to say, enough is enough. We have heard our village have become a water zone. Men are fighting women. Women against men. Children in support. Conflict here and there. Hey members, where are we going? What is the problem? Mr. Japan, I don't want to hide the problems. The problems are here. Women, no respect at all.
No, blame them. The issue is not us. Men, have you left drinking alcohol?
No. Members, problem is holistic. I need all of you. Cases in our office day and night. Let's decide where these people are going. You come. Let's go. Conflict. Members, the problems are with people. Ignorance mixed with poverty. A strong desire for money, wealth. Listen to my story and tell you. Members, in my story, I am going to take you back to what happened in the traditional village called village about 70 years ago.
70 years?
Yeah. In this village, there was a learning center where all the children of the village gathered in order to receive the proper instruction about how they should live. The center was called the Career Building Center. Among the children who were attending the social instruction was Nyapero, the daughter of Obalo. Miriam, the wife of Obalo, who supported her daughter's commitment to attending the social instruction. However, members, to be surprised, Nyapero on our past was still there. But our father has appeared to present the hand of our progress. Driven by the tradition of where a culture was viewed as a principal source for wealth of our family. Mr. Obalo's expectation for wealth began to slide education. A strong desire for money became his driving force. This time Nyapero was about to make his But according to Mr. Baro, our daughter was already mature and attractive enough to enter the mind of any young man in Kapele. What then was she still waiting for? She was a finished product of money. Obama went ahead to plan for our daughter's initiative. Yes, tradition confirmed that women should begin at 12 years. That is impossible. So Nyapero was overdue according to the plan. Members, you know what happened? No. Unfortunately for Mr. Baro, he did not realize this person. The young man that he entrusted to be his selling agent was found. Straight away reveals the plan to Nyapero's mother. On hearing these members of the wrong, Nyapero's mother was so fierce that she wanted to make her plan. She was silent by Mr. Smith, who convinced her not to stay at the before the justice was done. So Sulu and Nyapero's mother put their aid together to dismantle Obalo's plan. And they agreed to involve stakeholders, the Children Protection Unit, and the police at the nearby outpost. Mr. Obalo, on the other hand, was so busy organizing the night. The situation wasn't at Mr. Obalo's home. Members, you know what happened?
No.
His movement along the people's attention. He would then enter the rank of the religious family. Then came the day proposed to marry. The situation wasn't ambushed the suitors in just at the entrance to Mr. Bar and arrested them. And you know what happened to Mr. Bar?
No.
Yes, for Mr. Bar. The Lord took his place. He was arrested and was tied to a bottle. And that was the beginning of cultural education in the whole village. And after 50 years, they were able to celebrate our success as a qualified community plan. This is the big nation to the whole village and to you people present today. Okay?
Yes.
Members of God.
Yes.